Good evening, everyone. At this point, I would like to send my good luck as well as my prayers to all the takers of the licensure examination for professional teachers, both in elementary and secondary. Now, that will be tomorrow, March 17, 2024. Again, guys, this is the day that you have been waiting for. No? Tomorrow will be your big day as you take this turning point of your life as aspiring future educator or teachers. I know that you have been prepared for this. No? Ang apat ka tuig na pag-eskwela plus ang pag-review nimo sa masubra lapit tunga sa tuig na pag-review, no? Isa sa mga bagay nga imo i-consider nga kapital sa pagkuha buwas sang board exam. Kabay nga ang presence of mind ara kag ang confidence, no, sa pag-take sang board exam buwas. Kag sa family and friends sa aton mga board takers, let us be with them by praying for them, no, nga kabay nga masabtan nila sing klaro ang mga pamangkot nga magagawa sa ilang board exam buwas, no. Subong man, let us help them as of this moment. I know damo na ginakulbaan, iba hindi katulog, iba no hindi nakakaon, no. As family or as a friend, let us remind them that whatever the result of their examination tomorrow, ara kita sa pagbaton gihapon sa ila, sa pag-alalay gihapon sa ila, kag sa pag-inspire sa ila, no, to continue whatever will be the result of tomorrow's board exam. Remember sa aton nga mga taker, tama na ang self-doubt, ang question base na feel nimo nga nagkulang ikaw or kulang pa. Remember that you are enough, you have learned enough, and you have prepared enough for this. And especially, tomorrow will be your big day. So, dapat panamdumon nimo nga ang buwas nga adlaw can be or will be the first and the last board exam that you will have, no, sa sining nga tuig or in the future. Remember that the result of the board exam will not determine the person you will become in the future. Hindi na iya magiging sukatan sa imo kaalam, sa imo pagkatawo, kung ano man ang magiging resulta sa buwas nga board exam. Again, to all the takers, have faith, be confident, control yourself, no, i-contend ang imo nga kagalingon, hindi magpakulba kag magpangamuyo. Remember, God is with you. Again, good luck, God bless, and we are with you tomorrow for your board exam. God bless everyone.